Teotihuacan, located in a sub-valley of the Valley of Mexico, near present-day Mexico City, stands as an enduring testament to the architectural and cultural achievements of ancient Mesoamerica. This ancient city, renowned for its iconic pyramids, the Pyramid of the Sun and the Pyramid of the Moon, precedes the Aztec civilization by many centuries and holds a pivotal place in the history of the region. At its zenith, estimated to be between 1 AD and 500 AD, Teotihuacan ranked as the largest city in the Americas, boasting a population that exceeded 125,000 inhabitants. This monumental city, covering an expansive 8 square miles, accommodated a staggering 80 to 90% of the entire valley's population, positioning it among the 6 largest cities globally during its epoch. The architectural marvels of Teotihuacan, particularly the pyramids, served as epicenters of cultural and religious significance, symbolizing the city's prominence in the ancient world. Beyond its pyramids, Teotihuacan's significance lies in its anthropologically rich residential compounds, the grandeur of the Avenue of the Dead, and the preservation of its vibrant murals. These murals, showcasing intricate artistry, offer a glimpse into the daily life, rituals, and cosmological beliefs of the Teotihuacano people. The city's artistic expressions, including complex multi-family residential compounds, underscore its cultural and social sophistication. Teotihuacan's influence extended far beyond its geographical boundaries. Evidence of Teotihuacano presence is found in various regions, including Veracruz and the Maya area. Despite the city's eventual decline around 550 AD, its enduring impact shaped the cultural and artistic landscape of Mesoamerica for centuries to come. The later Aztecs, recognizing the grandeur of Teotihuacan, claimed a common ancestry with its inhabitants, adopting and adapting aspects of their culture. The collapse of Teotihuacan, often linked to climatic events like the extreme weather of 535 to 536 AD, marked the end of its political and economic dominance. However, its cultural legacy persisted, and in 1987, the archaeological site was rightfully designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Even in its state of decline, Teotihuacan remains the most visited archaeological site in Mexico, attracting millions of visitors annually. The name Teotihuacan, bestowed by the Aztecs, translates to birthplace of the gods or place where gods were born. This nomenclature reflects Nahua creation myths that intricately connect the city to divine origins. The original name of the city remains lost to history, but hieroglyphic texts from the Maya region refer to it as Place of Reeds, akin to other central Mexican settlements named Talan. Teotihuacan's early history is enigmatic, marked by uncertainties about its founders and their geographical origins. Natural disasters, such as the eruption of the Zittel volcano, likely prompted migrations and contributed to the city's rapid growth. The unique layout of Teotihuacan, characterized by raised beds, chinampas, and canals for efficient agriculture, enabled the city to flourish as an economic and cultural hub. The city's architectural prowess, particularly the tablero style, exerted a profound influence on distant Mesoamerican sites. Notably, the absence of conclusive evidence for a central ruler challenges traditional notions of centralized authority in Teotihuacan. The egalitarian focus in art, evident in murals portraying priests, deities, and an emphasis on communal values over individual rulers seeking immortality, suggests a unique societal structure that sets Teotihuacan apart from contemporaneous civilizations. Teotihuacan's eventual decline, possibly triggered by prolonged droughts and internal strife, led to the rise of other regional powers, marking the transition to a new era in Mesoamerican history. Despite the challenges and transformations, the legacy of Teotihuacan endures, leaving an indelible mark on the cultural tapestry of the ancient Americas. Today, as visitors traverse the sprawling archaeological site, they are witness to the echoes of a bygone civilization that once stood as a beacon of human achievement in the heart of Mesoamerica. The grandeur of Teotihuacan extends beyond its iconic pyramids, as evidenced by the majestic Avenue of the Dead, a central thoroughfare that serves as a testament to the city's ceremonial and architectural prowess. This broad avenue, translating from its Nahuatl name Micoatli, spans approximately 40 meters in width and an impressive 4 kilometers in length. It is lined with remarkable ceremonial structures, including the imposing Pyramid of the Sun, which stands as the third largest pyramid globally, trailing only the Great Pyramid of Cholula and the Great Pyramid of Giza. Flanking the Avenue of the Dead at both ends are the Pyramid of the Moon and the Ciudadela, featuring the Temple of the Feathered Serpent Quetzalcoatl. Nestled between these monumental structures is the Palace Museum Quetzalcoatl, constituting the fourth fundamental edifice of the site. This urban masterpiece showcases not only the architectural prowess of the Teotihuacano people, but also their sophisticated urban planning. The Spanish, misinterpreting the purpose of the structures, coined the term citadel for the area around the Temple of the Feathered Serpent Quetzalcoatl, believing it to be a fortification. However, this expansive area was, in fact, a sprawling plaza surrounded by temples, serving as the religious and political nucleus of the city. The common populace resided in large apartment buildings scattered across the urban landscape, with many of these structures housing workshops where skilled artisans crafted pottery and various goods. The city's layout exhibits two distinct orientations, influenced by both astronomical and topographic considerations. The central part, including the Avenue of the Dead, aligns with the orientation of the Sun Pyramid. In contrast, the southern sector replicates the orientation of the Ciudadela. These two constructions, recording specific sunrises and sunsets on particular dates, facilitated the use of an observational calendar. The Sun Pyramid, for instance, recorded events such as sunrises on February 11th and October 29th and sunsets on April 30th and August 13th. The intervals between these dates, totaling 260 days, align with elementary periods of the Mesoamerican calendar, showcasing the meticulous planning and astronomical awareness of the Teotihuacano architects. Artificial landscape modifications, such as the intentional redirection of the San Juan River, further highlight the city's engineering ingenuity. The river was modified to curve around structures in the city center, only to return to its natural course outside Teotihuacan. Additionally, pecked cross circles, pervasive throughout the city and surrounding regions, played a crucial role in designing the urban grid and interpreting the 260-day calendar. These circles, resembling the ancient Aztec game Patali, featured axes aligned with city structures and significant astronomical bodies, showcasing a sophisticated understanding of numerology and celestial events. The Ciudadela, completed during the Mictlantecuhtli phase, represents a monumental enclosed plaza, capable of accommodating a staggering 100,000 people. Dominating its landscape is the Temple of Quetzalcoatl, surrounded by upper-class apartments, creating an overwhelming experience for visitors. The Pyramid of the Sun, a central feature of the city, underwent intricate renovations during this period, signaling the city's continuous growth and complexity. Teotihuacan's intricate urban planning, architectural marvels, and ceremonial spaces underscore the advanced societal organization and cultural richness of this ancient Mesoamerican city. As visitors traverse the Avenue of the Dead and explore its surrounding structures, they are transported back in time to a city that, despite its eventual decline, continues to captivate and inspire awe in the modern era.